Hello class, I'm Mr. Bill. You can call me Mr. Owie. I'm going to be your geometry teacher for this term. Let's start with my favorite shape, the square. One second, class. It's a phone call. Geometry professor from college. Hi, Mom.
What are you doing? You know these braces aren't going to pay for themselves, Billy.
I'm training to become the best teacher in the world, in the best field of education there is, geometry.
Then why isn't your life in better shape?
I want to do what I love. I want to discover the world's newest shape.
Have one new voice message.
Hey, Cupid, it's gone again. Ever since you stopped doing your thing, there's been a lot of rapes.
Now I need beer. I'm gonna discover a new shape. Oh God!
Dang,
Oh my God! I'm so sorry. I didn't see you there.
It's alright, man. Don't get bent out of shape about it. Hey, you look like you're going through something. You want to come back and have a beer?
Man, I can't right now. I'm training. Also, you're a stranger, and I don't know your name.
Oh, yeah, I get that. My name's Cupid. Well, sure. Let's go, bro.
Okay.
Yeah, so, Cupid, tell me. Are you like Cupid?
Yeah, I'm Cupid. Like, in the love game and all that, but, I got out of it. Alright? I'm done. I just couldn't watch everyone around me keep falling in love. Alright? I'm jealous of them. I want to find someone for me.
I've got a love for geometry. I want to become the best geometry teacher in the world. I want to discover a new shape.
Geometry? Man, like, what fucking drives you to do that?
It all started back in, It was 1971. We were deep in the jungle and short on rations. Yeah, there were some really awesome shapes in that kaleidoscope.
What was with, like, all those gunshots?
We were right next door to a shooting range.
What about all the screaming?
Oh yeah, we were right next door to a Six Flags also.
Well, Miss Owie must be happy to have such a determined man back at home.
There's no misses at home. It's just me, my whiteboard that I purchased from Scholastic.com.
That's fucking crazy. Like, Bill, you're such a catch.
I love geometry too much to love any one person. Okay? I've got to discover the newest shape.
Dude, I think I have the newest shape right here.
Yeah, that's not a shape, Cupid. That's just a silly heart.
This can be a shape. Just open your heart.
No. Man. You just don't get it, Cupid. A heart's not a shape.
Bill, you were right. A single heart is not a shape. I'm sorry.
A single heart isn't a shape. But two hearts.
It's a cloud. A billowy cloud.
My name is Bill Owie. It's destiny.
I think you just discovered a new shape.
The shape of love.
It's a beautiful shape. I love you.
I love geometry.